Ever wondered why multicellular organisms like us humans, or that tree outside your window, or your pet dog, need to have tissue and organ systems? Well, the answer lies in the intricacies of life itself. Picture this, a bustling city filled with individuals, each with their own roles and responsibilities. There are builders, teachers, doctors, chefs, and so many more. Each person is vital to the functioning of the city, and together they make the city thrive. Now, imagine if multicellular organisms were like these cities. In a way, they are. Cells in multicellular organisms are like the individuals in a city. Each cell has a specific role to play. Some cells are responsible for providing structure and support, much like builders in a city. These cells make up what we know as tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Muscle tissue, for instance, is composed of cells that can contract and relax, allowing us to move. But tissues don't work alone. Just like how a city has various sectors like healthcare, education, and infrastructure, multicellular organisms have organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform complex functions that tissues alone cannot do. Take the digestive system, for instance. It's made up of organs like the stomach and intestines, each with their own kind of tissues. The stomach has muscle tissue that helps churn food, while the intestines have epithelial tissues that help absorb nutrients. Together, they break down food and deliver nutrients to the body. Now, this collaboration of tissues and organ systems is critical for the survival of multicellular organisms. Without tissues, cells would be isolated units, and their individual efforts wouldn't amount to much. Without organ systems, tissues wouldn't be able to coordinate and perform complex functions. The importance of tissues and organ systems in multicellular organisms can't be overstated. They ensure that cells don't just live for themselves, but for the whole organism. They help cells work together, divide labor, and accomplish tasks that would be impossible for a single cell to do alone. So to circle back to our original question, why do multicellular organisms require tissue and organ systems? It's because life, especially multicellular life, is a team sport. Every cell, tissue, and organ system has a role to play. Together, they make the magic of life possible. Just like how every individual in a city contributes to its vibrancy and functionality, every component of a multicellular organism contributes to its survival and success. So, the next time you marvel at the complexity of life, remember the humble tissues and organ systems working tirelessly behind the scenes. They truly are the unsung heroes of biology. This is the fascinating world of multicellular organisms, where every cell matters and every tissue and organ system plays a crucial role. It's a world where teamwork makes the dream work, and where the beauty of life unfolds in the most intricate of ways.